Hello to all my artist friends. Today I want to draw a wonderful drawing of a ship. After drawing a circle, we draw two arcs on either side of it. A foamy sea waves under the ship that shows it is moving. We draw two lines through the middle of the ship. A few small circles, and the ship's anchor on the other side. Now it's time to draw the ship's cabin. A few windows like this. The ship has two big chimneys. A flag. Clouds and a shining sun. Coloring time! Now, let's use orange to color the ship together. Keep coloring with orange. We will use orange until the end of this part. Green, black, blue, pink, yellow. The windows are blue and yellow. Purple, green again, red for flag, gray. The sun is shining bright and yellow. Awesome! Are you ready? Subscribe! See you in the next video!